Hey friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. What we discussed yesterday on my intraday trade setup uh, clearly discussed that Nifty 50 December contract 18,880 18,080 will be the important level. Go and check the level. Exactly, Nifty took here at support in the morning itself. Exactly this level Nifty took support, but why there is a no momentum yesterday? Because today is a monthly expiry. So most of the people they will uh, most of the people they already exit the position yesterday in terms of sellers. Okay, so yesterday the clearly market was in the seller's hand. That means option seller's hand or option writer's hand. That is why market not got the momentum. uh, See, uh, this market profile is a entirely different. Okay, so the market profile users, I think very limited people are using this market profile chart, and the person to person will vary how they are gathering the information from this chart. This chart means this market profile tool. Why? Because my view is entirely different. I am gathering information is entirely different. Why? Because I am an option buyer. In the view of option buyer, my view is different. Some people will be the option writers. Their view will be entirely different, which I am getting information. Okay, and the tick size itself. See, this is a 10 tick. Okay, so this is called 1 TPO. 1 TPO, I am using 10 tick. Okay, some people will using 5 tick, some people using 3. Okay, so that also this tick itself person to person is vary. So don't compare, my request, don't compare with my studies and some other market profile user studies. Okay, so their studies, their exclusive study, my study is my exclusive study. I am using this level. I am mentoring this market profile. What I learned from the legends in the market, they are the legends in the market. So I learned the market profile from the legends, and what I am mentoring to my students. That is my way of approach, and don't compare with any other approach and all. Okay. So what happened yesterday? The entirely the call writers was option writers was strong, and see took support at 18,080, and market not got the good follow through above PDL. That means previous day high. This is the previous day high. Sorry, this is the previous day high. That means 18,160. 18,160 was the Tuesday's high. Okay, this Tuesday's high not getting acceptance here, so that market was not got the accepted but not got the follow through. That's why market not able to push above the day high, previous day high. Okay, what could be the and see market profile itself, morning itself I clearly mentioned that the same like yesterday. See, these behaviors will get more on market profile. These see these days, this is on Monday, right? Monday, A, B, C, D, E. These four periods are in the same level, same level. See, Tuesday, A, B, C, D, E. Again, see, these four periods are same in the level in the morning. See, yesterday, the magic A, B, C, D, E, F, all the letters are in the same level. See, this observation, this observation, you will not get any other tool. This is a wonder of uh, this market profile. So morning itself, I posted my comment on my students' Telegram group, same like yesterday behavior. Tuesday also I posted same like yesterday behavior. That means what is yesterday's behavior? The same level, A, B, C, D, E. They are not moving anywhere. They are just rotating here. came here, and went back to here, came up and went back here, came back here, like that. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. What could be today? Yeah, that could be the grade question. Let's watch today's scenario. What could be the thought process of today? See, today is this level and this level. This level is very, very important. Okay, we don't know market if rotating here itself. That could be the big question mark. If market behaving like last past 3 days, then rotation could be at from 18,050 to 18,180, 185, 185 level. So we need any acceptance. If market opening flat, any acceptance above 18,185, I will directly go to the 18,210 is my small target only, 210, and 240 is my upper side target. Any big move, we need acceptance at 240, 18,240, then only we'll get a good up move towards 18,315. 18,315 is my final target. These are the upside. If market opening flat and coming down, any acceptance here, that means 18,050 level. My first target is small target again, 18,000, and next target is 17,910. 17,910 is my next target. These are the levels after flat opening, and I will take trade based on this acceptance above. Otherwise, I will just watch, and today is expiry. So any possible in the afternoon, that means late after 1:30 or 2 o'clock, any information, anything is happening like yesterday's L period or J period, like that, then I will go for a trade. And one more thing, today is a monthly and weekly expiry. So don't trade today's strike. If you have a confidence, you go. Otherwise, you can trade on to the next expiry or next monthly expiry also you can go. But these are the levels you have to watch in terms of Nifty 50 December contract. What about this? What about in terms of Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty have some wide range. Bank Nifty had a wide range, and again same PDH and PDL. This is the important. If market opening flat, coming down, any acceptance at previous day low. That means previous day low is coming around 42. Yesterday we discussed now 42 770. 770 is holding now, but that level is will breach in the morning itself if market coming down. So you can plan this 42,700. 42,700, 700 any acceptance. At any acceptance, go for a PE. This is non-migration PPOC, and there is a failed auction, IB failed auction on the downside. This could be the best trade in the morning in Bank Nifty. Any acceptance, market how to open flat, and any acceptance at 42,700, go for a PE. First target could be 42,550, 42,550, and second target could be 42,350. Okay. If market gap down also, that means it's below market. If opening below previous day low and moving up rejection from the yesterday's profile, then again that could be the wonderful scenario to short the market towards 42,350 is a target on the downside. Okay, these are the market profile information. I am not providing my own information. This why I am providing. This is a PPOC work as a magnet. Okay, number one. And this is the IB failed auction. IB failed auction means this business was not done properly. This area market how to come and clear. We don't know when, but the probability is any acceptance is 42,700. We can aim these two target, but these two target is very, very important. Okay, this is one scenario on the coming up. So if market opening above means inside the value area moving up, wait for the previous day high acceptance. What could be the previous day high? High is a almost 4350. Okay, 43,055 50, you can keep as a 55. 43 43,055. Okay, 43,055 is a PDH. Okay, any acceptance is PDH. Go for a long, go for a long. There could be a small target. 43,120 is a first target. 43,120 is a first target. Any acceptance here, any acceptance here. Okay, you can directly go to the this non-migration POC. That means 43 480. 43 480 is a direct target. Otherwise, you can square off your partial at 43 360, 43 360, and you can trail your SL to the non-migration POC 43 487. And see, again, again previous day high and previous day low is important for bank nifty and nifty. Nifty we discussed the level, bank nifty also we discussed the level. So please post your comment. Some people are saying I am deleted the comment. Sorry, I am not deleted any comment. I am ready to answer all the negative or positive comments. I am ready to answer, and I am not deleted. And watch my channel. Refer to your friend circle. Click the like button and bell icon button. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Plan your trade setup on the December monthly expiry. So this is the in this year last expiry. All the very best. Plan your trade setup accordingly. Thank you very much.